Check out this 2015 Chevrolet Camaro LS. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are rear-wheel drive, power steering, ABS, 4-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, automatic headlights, MP3 player, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio and Bluetooth connection. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.